Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about a new product from the company behind NordVPN. It's called Saily. Is it going to help you sail across the world on a boat? Well, I guess we're going to find out.
This video is sponsored by two VPN providers. Surfshark VPN, one of my top VPNs if you're looking for an excellent bundled offering. The bundled offering with Surfshark One Plus includes antivirus, various data breach protection features, and a data removal service called Incogni. This is a service that will go to websites like White Pages and remove your IRL information. So this is definitely a solid pickup. It's a top rated offering here on my channel, and the data broker removal service is my top recommended one since it's so affordable. This is half as much as you're going to pay with some of the other services out there like Delete Me, so definitely a solid pickup. However, if you're looking for some other options, TorGuard is another good choice. It includes some remote VPN offerings, different email bundle offerings. It also includes interesting cloud proxy or V2 Ray options if you're in a censored country. The basic plan also includes SOCKS 5 proxy for torrenting, which is excellent. If you're looking for dedicated IPs, it's also very good since there's interesting bundles that are very affordable. If you want to use any of these things with TorGuard, use promo code TOMSPARK2023. With Surfshark, use my link in the description down below. It'll help support the channel, and these are two excellent products that I stand by and recommend on a daily basis.
So guys, NordVPN's new product is called Saily, and they barely just have begun talking about it. And in fact, if you go on the website, you can't really even see much about it yet. It pretty much just lets you input an email, and it says that it has a broad overview of what Saily is. Basically, it's going to be an eSIM provider service that lets you use internet and phone connection around the world. Primarily, this kind of service is oriented towards people who like to travel and stay secure while doing so, and it seems to be like NordVPN's kind of reach into a new kind of market outside of just providing security, but maybe also providing kind of like telecommunications and internet and stuff like that, which is kind of interesting. Apparently, the head of this product, Vykintas Maknikas, head of product strategy, says that Saily will ensure users don't need to use public Wi-Fi networks. So I guess it is kind of related to their kind of privacy objective, but also providing internet securely, in their opinion. Customers will be able to choose from hundreds of countries and dozens of plans to get a deal on mobile data. eSIM cards are mainly used by travelers and people working remotely to decrease roaming charges. According to Nord Security, some people also need a cheap data package in their own country after a pre-planned data plan runs out. The new Saily app should complete with a Rallo. So I looked up this application, and this seems to be kind of like another thing that Nord probably seems to be competing with. It's very interesting. This one seems to be about 1 gigabyte for 7 days for around $5, which seems to be fair. It will be interesting to see if Nord kind of has like a different angle on this market. Maybe Nord is kind of approaching it more from like, hey, we don't collect any of your data or something like that. Whereas, who knows really what they could be like with these ones. It looks like this is also available for corporations and things like that. It also seems like Nord might kind of want people to just use it as a way to connect to the internet. So that is also something interesting to think about. Now, if you guys didn't know, I also reviewed a service called Infani, which they had an affiliate program, so they made me a little landing page. I made a video on this one since I did think it is pretty cool. Now, Infani seems somewhat similar to this kind of new kind of thing from Nord, but it seems to be oriented more around like unlimited data and stuff like that, whereas Nord seems to be more for like buying individual prepackaged plans of data and stuff like that for traveling. This seems to be a little bit more different, oriented as more of a core service package, but it is kind of interesting to see this kind of new service, new kind of phone security and new kind of offerings from some of these providers kind of becoming more of a thing. It'll be interesting to see, if any other VPN providers think this is an interesting thing and want to compete with. They always kind of compete with each other, these VPN providers. I also think it'll be interesting to see other companies like Nord build out more additional products. VPNs in a lot of ways have become kind of stale, kind of saturated. There's not really much new things coming out with VPN lately, besides just little tiny things here and there. So it's always exciting for me to see kind of the companies that we've been reviewing come out with new exciting products, and we'll make sure to stay tuned with this one. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you think Saily is a good product for you, if it would be worthwhile for you to use a new eSIM service. So I'll be interested to hear your comments down in the description down below.